It's still raining. But now it's harder than it was. But do I have a sign across my head or something? Am I missing something? Like, do I have debate written on my head or argument or do I have peace written across my face? Yes. Oh, hi. I just want to let y'all know the rain just came and washed away all my problems. Look at that. Ain't she so beautiful? Okay. Well, she would like me to say that I'm fucking ready, baby. Here we fucking go. Woo-hoo.